money and food poured in from members of the community when Adventists ran out of funds to pay for their meal program.
About 7 years ago, we have like a financial crisis in my city, and so a young lady in my church, she came up with the idea that we should do something for the poor people, at least to provide for them a meal. And so we start to prepare something nice for them. And at first we have only to prepare for 50 people. We put our own money and we put together, and so we prepare something simple but delicious and healthy.
Church members in Hošiminhu, Vietnam, work together to serve home-cooked meals to a full crowd of people, children, students, retirees, and others looking for jobs. This first lunch outreach went so well that now church members prepare over 200 meals every Thursday. In total, the meals only cost about 4 million Vietnamese dong, or $180. The menu consists of rice, tofu, beans, pumpkin soup, tomatoes, and bananas. A perfect combination to fill an empty stomach.
More and more people coming, and at the moment now, every week we have 200 people come and eat our food. Sometimes we even thinking we should stop it, because if we don't have enough fun, then we go in big problem.
Maintaining this project has been a challenging task, as it invites a growing crowd. The church members see it as a way to do a simple act of kindness to people living in this huge city. This program has gained recognition and financial support from the community. Local leaders from other world religions and even local shops and individuals have joined in keeping it going.
We have people who selling vegetables at the market. We keep on buying them a lot, so many times that they asking why you buy so much, and so we have charity lunch, and so they give, okay, take this one, this week is for free. So the very week that we don't have enough money, that week we receive free rice, free vegetable from the people to give us. We never stop any single week because we don't have enough money.
Local authorities have also expressed their gratitude for the kind work and positive impact it creates in the community. But perhaps the most grateful are the ones who come to eat.
I walked past this building one afternoon and I saw this advertisement for the charity meal program. That is why I came here. Because of this program, I feel God loves me. God cares for me.
Aside from the meals, everyone is invited to join other church programs. 3 people have accepted Christ into their hearts.
Don't wait till we have all the fun. Don't wait till we have all the facility. Do whatever you can in whatever means you have it. So think of something that within your reach. You always can do something, and actually you have so many programs that you can do without money. So choose whatever you can do, and I'm sure when you do it well, and God will bless, the people will support.
There are still a lot of things that need to be done in Vietnam, and we want you to be a part of this huge work through prayer. Please pray for our church in Vietnam and for this wonderful project. May these church members continue serving the people in Vietnam so they will know more about the blessed hope.